Hello, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. For today's menu, you don't even need to go to the store. We got 3 ingredients and a little bit of oil as ingredients, yeah? So we're gonna start a little bit of oil and we're gonna sear our brisket, or this is breast of the cow. This is a kind of brisket, I guess in English is the name. Yeah, there you are. And we're gonna sear it in all the size of the meat. You see, first of all the big part, the big size of it, and then all across our meat. Yeah, look, they're just going there, and this is what we're looking for. Look, just like that. Every side is just a little bit browny. Carefully, not overcook it like burning it. We don't want to burn it because now we're gonna add a little bit of salt. I got a 1 kilo and 300 grams of meat. I'm using around 10 to 12 grams of salt. Don't add too much because it could be too salty. And I'm using here 1 liter of water, and I'm covering it a little bit more with around 300 milliliters more. So it's gonna be at the end around 1.3 to 1.5 liter of water. Yeah, there, just like that. Now lid on, let it cook. It will take a long time, 5 to 6 hours, and then look, after the time has gone, you're gonna do it very slow cooking. We don't want to burn it. Look, it's gonna be saucy with the oil from the meat and the little bit of oil we add with salt, and that's all we need. They will be amazingly tasty, like you were grilling it. You don't need anything else. Don't add anything else. Just try with the 3 ingredients, and it's just amazing result. So we are so far here. Look, it's gonna be very, very soft. We're gonna look. This is our sauce, our liquid, yeah, from our meat. We're just gonna small shower here, and then we are just ready to cut it and to eat it. As you see, I got some potatoes, some cucumbers, and our capusta salad, which I will leave you the recipe down here in the description. This is a cabbage salad, which is very nice and very easy to make. We are just gonna cut this in slices, and you will see how easy it's. And also look, this is very tender, very nice, just amazingly. Just 3 ingredients, and I hope you do it, and leave me down here the comments after you do it if it was so tasty at my one, and because it's just amazing. Only salt and water. If you have any comment or question, please down here in the comment box. Hit that thumb button up and subscribe to the channel. Take care and enjoy the journey.